Have you ever had a really cool prompt or maybe got a really awesome prompt from a coworker that you wanted to save or maybe even share with the team, but you lost it? Maybe it's buried in OneNote or something and you can't ever find it again? Well, we can solve that leveraging the prompt gallery in Copilot. We can save our prompt and we can even share that prompt with a team leveraging team prompts. Let me show you how we do it. Come on. All right, I'm here in Copilot. I'm actually going to show you what this looks like, both for a Copilot licensed user as well as a free Copilot chat user. So right now I'm a licensed user and I've got a whole bunch of prompts that I've saved in Loop. And I've got this really cool prompt that just kind of helps me with my morning routines, lets me know what's on the agenda today and so forth. So I'm going to paste that in here. So in order to save a prompt, the first thing we need to do is actually put the prompt into Copilot, let it run, let it output. Once it's done outputting, then we can actually save it. So we'll let this thing run for a second. All right, so it's finished. We can see that this prompt is kind of instructing Copilot to recap yesterday meetings, looking at what meetings I have today and just helping me understand kind of a snapshot today, news and so forth. I'll share this prompt inside of the notes as well, so you guys can have this prompt as well. But the first thing that we need to do in order to save this prompt is hover over it, and you're going to see this little pop-up over here. So we can edit this prompt, we can copy it, we can schedule this prompt, something down the road that we'll have another video on, as well as save this prompt. So I'm going to hit this save prompt. And from here, I'm going to save it to my prompt gallery. So call this whatever you want. I'm going to say morning kickoff, and I'm going to hit save. Once that's done, the next thing that we can do here, I'm going to open up a brand new window here so we can kind of see from how we access our prompt gallery. So to access our prompt gallery, we've got this little see more thing down here. Hit that see more, scroll down, and you're going to see this prompt gallery here. Click on prompt gallery, and that will bring up all of your suggested, your prompts, and team prompts. I'm going to go to my prompts here, and I've got this right here. So that's my prompt. And if I want to push this into team prompts, I can hit this share icon and I can hit share to team, and then I can select whatever team that I want to share this to. So I'll just select our Contoso here and share that. And then once you share that to team, the team prompts will show up here. Pro tip here, something that I learned. If you don't have a Teams prompt here, this is enabled by default. There's no administrator control over enable or disabling team prompts. If this is not here, it means that no one has shared any prompts to a team, to an M365 group. So if this is gone, it means no one shared anything. So how this works is it's kind of invisible until someone does something. So I've shared previous prompts, so that's why this is here. So if it's not there for you, just go through the process of sharing that prompt to a team, and then the team prompts will populate. So I've got my team prompts here, and then I've got all of these different prompts here that I can look at. Additionally, I can drop this down and I can see what prompts are applicable to what team. So I can see who shared what prompt and so forth. But this is the collaboration of all of the prompts that are shared within the teams that I have. So I can see I've got my morning kickoff. I've also done a couple. So I've got, I'm the mod administrator, so you can see who it's shared by. And so I can see that Aldale also shared some. And then if I want to go in, I can remove those from a team. So how prompt gallery or team prompts galleries work, anybody can share those prompts and anybody can also manage those prompts on. What you saw when I made that prompt, I did it in the work side of things. So a lot of this stuff is in the work side, except this one right here. How can I more concisely describe time management? Not something I need to do on the work side. And that's going to be important in a second. So you can see how I share my prompts into my team prompts, and I've got that there. I'm going to hop over to Adil, who is a Copilot chat user. He does not have a full M365 Copilot license. So I'm here in Adil, and I'm going to scroll down till I see this prompt gallery here. And I'm going to click on my prompts. I've got my prompts. What's the weather? Super fun. But I want to show something a little different here. I'm going to hit my team prompts, and you'll see here that I only have one available to me because as a Copilot chat user, I don't have the work side. So those prompts that I shared when I was in the other user persona, I did that on the work side. So those show up. So if I have a full Copilot license, I would have a lot more. So let's take a look at that side by side. So I've got, I've got 3 prompts here and I've got 1 prompt here. So important thing. So Copilot chat users can also do this and they can take value from the prompts that are being shared. However, the prompts that are being shared are only going to show up if they're applicable to the web side. So if they don't have the full Copilot license that's using work-based data, that graph stuff, they're not going to see those prompts in there. But that's how you save your prompts and share those prompts to a team. I hope that helps. Take care. Go push some buttons.